Hello guys, welcome to another video by Fundablex. So in this video we'll be discussing what is a Choch, change of character, right? So we'll discuss that today. So yeah, let's get started. So most of people get confused on breakout structures and change of characters. The first thing is very simple, understand the concept. So let it be any time frame. First of all, we have to have a view on a higher time frame, right? So let's say that the example which I am showing you is on a 4-hour time frame. So what we are expecting over here, the market is moving up, right? So the market is going over here, coming down, then the market goes up again, then it is coming down. So every time it is breaking a swing high, it is having a new breakout structure. So the swing highs and swing lows, I hope you guys are much more familiar with that. So these are 3 candle combinations. So once the market has given a break of new high, it is called a breakout structure, right? So it is pretty simple, everybody knows that. So most of the people, what they will be doing is, there will be an order block, they look for an order flow basis over here, they'll keep getting into this order block and they'll be trying to go long. So that is what most of the people does. Now what you have to understand is, whenever the market is giving you a breakout structure, it has a highly possible chance that it is going to come down, and it is called order flow basis. Now when does the change of character happen? So let's say this is a point where, let's say there is a point of interest, maybe another 4-hour candle or something, there is another order block or something. So on this particular point, what everybody will be looking is, there is expected a reversal point, right? So whenever the market is making a higher high and reaches a particular point of interest and it has broken your swing low, so this is another swing low. So whenever there is a market gives you a breakout structure, it makes a low, right? So whenever the market gives you a break on swing low, that is when you are get to understand that the change of character has been happened. This is one scenario. And where the most people make mistake is, let me show you that one as well. So this is the chart. Some people make mistakes like this, right? These are the common mistakes which I have found on most of the beginners. What they will be doing is, they will be considering this as a Choch down. But why you should not calculate this as a Choch down? Let me explain you that. So this has a Choch down, but it's not a Choch down, okay? It's not a Choch down. You should not take that one as a Choch down. So big into mark, right? It's not a Choch down. Why? Every time it is given you a breakout structure, it has to break the swing low. But this is not a swing low. Like, it is a swing low, but it cannot be considered as a Choch down, because this high is being created by this low. So you have to consider this low as the nearest swing low, or to make sure that this is a Choch down. So this is why most of the people fail, because they think that okay, this is the Choch down, and what they do is they try to get into an entry. So every time once the market gives a break to the opposite side, it has to break the nearest level of swing low and the high, in the sense that this high was created by this particular low. So which is the Choch down? This one. This is the exact Choch down, right? And this is not a Choch down. This is basically, it is giving you a lower high formation, right? So anytime it can have a possibility that it's gonna react from this order block and it can go up. If the market has given you a new high from this low, and if it breaks down, then it is a Choch down. But it has given you a lower high, it's not a Choch down. You have to consider this one as a Choch down. That's it. So this is the concept, okay? So understand the concept, what is swing highs, swing lows, which low has given the new high and it has to break the downside. Now you have an understanding that on a higher time frame, this is what happens. Now how do you bring down it to a lower time frame? So let's say that you are trading on a 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart, what you have to do is, you have to at least wait for a confirmation. The same shifting of Choch down should happen at least on a 5-minute time frame or a 15-minute time frame. So if you're going from a very larger time frame, from 4 hours, you have to look for at least 15 minutes to 5 minutes. That is what I personally look out for. So if you directly go to 1 minute, you will have hundreds of Choch downs and hundreds of stop loss will be being hit. So don't do that mistake. Go slowly, like, you know, you can't just stop the car if you're going on a 200 to suddenly to 0, right? So it has to be gradually, it has to come down. So that is how it works. Higher time frame, go down to the lower time frame, make sure that there is a reaction, again go down to the lower time frame, wait for a 15-minute shift. Once a 15-minute shift is been happening, watch out for the 5-minute mitigation, then come on to the 1 minute. So don't directly come to 1 minute. The people who are coming to directly to 1 minute, they have a problem where they face the multiple number of stop losses and they lose their hope, you know. And same thing happens with the opposite side of the market. So let me show you this. So over here, second, yeah, and same thing goes with the opposite side. This Choch down becomes the Choch up. See, this Choch up, and this is not the Choch down, it will become a Choch up. Just consider that. I'm not okay, I'll change it anyway. This is the Choch up, yep, and this is another Choch up, right? Just opposite. If the point of interest is on the downside, you have to look for the opposite, right? Nothing complicated. Now let me take you down to the lower time frame. So let me delete this one, yeah. Now what happens, let's say this is a 4 hour, right? So once you come to a 4 hour, what I have to expect is I have to wait for the market to give me a shift onto the downside. So the market will be like going upper side, right? Wait, let me show you this. See the market, let's say this is a 5-minute or 50-minute time frame. The market has went up just like this. Then what I have to see is a Choch down on a 4 hour time frame. Then obviously you'll wait for the point of interest over here, you just go short, right? That is how the market usually works. I'll show you on this on a different color, so you'll get to understand. So what you have to do is you have to wait for a smaller shift to happen on a 5-minute time frame, then you have to look for a entry model, right? Now you know that this is a point, this low has given a new high, so this is your change of character. So don't make the mistakes. This is the change of character, this is the pullback, this is the break of structure. So this can be considered as the break of structure, because on 5-minute time frame this is a minor break of structure and this is a Choch down. And just go opposite with the upper side as well. If the market goes up, you have to just consider this one as a opposite side. So now let me show you a smaller time frame, right? Okay, over here. So we know that this is a point of interest, right? This is a point of interest over here. Now what you have to wait is you have to wait for 5-minute or 50-minute shift to happen. Sometime it would have given the shift, sometime it would have went very fast. But yeah, over here, see, watch out. Market has dropped, given a new high, given a new low. So now this is a change of character. If the market has not given this particular low, which would have been the change of character? Yes, this one. Now the market has broken to the upper side. Now you wait for the market to come to the downside, you go for a long, right? That is how it has to work out. See, market has given a shift, it has given a change of character. This would be the one which we are considered as a change of character, Choch up. Why? This high was given a new low, so this one will be validated. Focus on these two things, right? This high was created, this low has created this high, right? Or this low high was created by new low, so it has given a high, given a new low, which has validated this one, change of character. Now patience, came down, you go for an entry based on order flow basis, whatever your entry model is, just go long. But look into the concept, went up, came down, then rally, right? So this is how the market works. Now I had marked my point of interest on 4 hour. From 4 hour I have got a shift, then I look for an entry model. Now there's another thing. So once the shift has been happened, you can look for 1 minute point of interest or 5-minute point of interest, 15 minutes, whatever it is. That is based on your strategy and how you're doing your trading style. So this is pretty much it, and maybe I could show you one more examples. Let me take you to the 4 hour. Again, there will be a point of interest on 4 hour. Okay, again this is another point of interest. See, all you have to do is just wait. This is a point of interest on 4 hour. Just come to 5 minute. Just wait for the shifting to happen, 5 minute or 15 minute. It's all depends upon how you guys are trading. That's based on yours, right? So see, these were the news time. This low was created by this high. Market has came down, given a change of character break, tapped into this 4 hour zone, change of character. This is the Choch up. This is the Choch up, because this high was created, new low, Choch up, gave a retracement. Look into the Fibonacci tool. Okay, so these things and all is based on your strategies. Okay, it came to the discounted area. Entry models depends upon people, change by person to person. See, after that market has given a rally. So that is it. So I hope you guys are understood what I have taught on this, and if I missed out any point or if I missed out any doubts which you guys are having, feel free to ask it on the comment sessions, or you can just come to my Telegram channel, which is Fundable X. You will get to find it over here. So that is it for today. So I hope this content is worth for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and do follow my channel for more educational content like this, and subscribe to my Telegram channel. Thank you. Bye.